Hey there, fellow food lovers. Are you ready for a hearty, comforting meal that's super easy on the wallet and packed with flavor? Today, we're whipping up my absolute favorite cheesy cowboy chowder. It's a taste of the Wild West right in your kitchen. This chowder is perfect for a chilly evening or when you just need some serious comfort food. It's incredibly budget-friendly, uses simple ingredients you probably already have, and comes together faster than a tumbleweed in a tornado. Seriously, even beginner cooks can nail this one. We're talking ground beef, potatoes, corn, and of course plenty of cheese. A little onion and garlic lay the perfect flavor foundation. It's a one-pot wonder that's about to become your new go-to recipe. First, brown your ground beef with the onion and garlic until it's nice and savory. Drain any excess fat, because nobody wants greasy chowder. Then toss in your diced potatoes and corn. Next, pour in some broth and let those potatoes get tender. This is where the magic starts to happen. Once everything is simmering beautifully, it's time for the star of the show. Stir in a generous amount of your favorite shredded cheese until it's melted and gloriously gooey. A little milk or cream makes it extra rich and velvety. Season it up with salt and pepper to taste. Serve it hot, maybe with a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dollop of sour cream. This cheesy cowboy chowder is pure comfort in a bowl, guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. Give it a try this week.